Flosstube, it's Elisa with E, crafting in Colorado. Hope you all are doing well. Today is going to be just a quick update from me. I'm in my backyard. I can't do the video in my normal location. I've got somebody down there right now. So you're getting me in my backyard, and if you hear some cars, it's because behind this fence here and this greenery, it's a street back there. So I apologize ahead of time. I'm popping on today because this company called, I believe it's pronounced Povitrulya, and I apologize if that's pronounced incorrectly. They're a Ukraine company. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago and asked if I did an unboxing for them, if I could then share my thoughts on this kit. They gave me several options of kits to choose from, and this is the one that I chose. It's called Bouquet with Poppies. It's a 6.3 by 9.4 inch or 16 by 25 centimeter kit, and it has 16 count Ada in it. So I have popped the top. Let me pull this out and we can share what's on the inside of it here. Alrighty, so let me, without the glare, show you again what this picture is. These real pretty poppies. Okay, so there's that. Let's see. In here, we've got the key code. It says it's for, it looks like it's mostly for two-stranded. It's double-sided, so that's why you might not be able to see all of it. It looks like it's a two-stranded stitch, and then we've got the stem stitch, which has one strand. So it looks like that's probably, yeah, just this little back stitching in here, which I don't particularly care for back stitch, but hey, I could do that a little bit. So there's that. Let's look at what the pattern looks like. Okay, so the pattern is 2 pages, or two, it looks like two 8.5 by 11 size pages, I think. Let me just show you a little blurb of the size of it. I'm going to show it to you upside down. So see, nice big pattern. It is in color, which, you know, on this type of paper I don't mind. It's that glossy paper that I don't care for when we get those. So this will be good, and the symbols are very easy to read. So, and then let me show you those symbols again. Where did those go? So see there, and they're coded 1 through 18. And here's the floss that came with the kit. Let's see here. Nice pretty colors. You all know me, I love red. Red is my favorite. So let's show it here on the Ada here. So nice pretty colors. I'm actually really looking forward to trying this. And then the Ada, it's about like a dimensions kit. Ada, if you've ever done a dimensions, and if you've ever been with me, you know it's a long rectangular piece. Who would have thought that I would like a long rectangular piece? So it's a little stiff, but if you've ever worked with Ada before, you know, you just you can crumple it up. You can wash this and it will soften it up, but I don't think I will, because I think this would be a pretty quick stitch. And it also came with a needle. So let's see what else is in here. It does have within the instructions, it shows you if you're new to cross stitch. It does say it looks like to separate each strand of the floss. I don't know if this is DMC, but on the front of it, it did say that it was a cotton floss. And it does also show you how to do the stem stitch, which I guess that's for this. These little, what would you say that? I'm not sure what those, that, it's not a weed. What is it? It's this foliage. That's right there. Oh, yeah. So there's that. And then along here, I'm going to show you this QR code that they put in the kit. It says, is it your first embroidery, or you're not sure how to stitch, or you need additional information? There's a QR code that they've attached with it so that if you, I haven't done it because I just opened this up. So if you have any additional questions on it. So this company is a Ukraine company, and it's just basically telling you, I mean, for most of you, you've done cross stitch before. You know, you start with one leg, and then your stitches all need to be in the same order that way. But this looks like a very nice kit to try out. They also have Facebook and an Instagram accounts. So that's the name of them right here. So that's their website, their email. If you can see that. Sorry, this stuff is getting blown away. It's got a light breeze today. So if you want to look at that, there we are with that. So yeah, so thank you to, I can't remember the specific person who reached out to me, but again, this company's name is Povitrulya. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to open this up and to try this out. I'm really looking forward to it. And we will, I think I might start this here fairly soon. And then going into my normal floss tubes, I'm not gonna do a floss tube for July. I had to run out of state for a while. I was gone nearly 2 weeks, and I've had no stitching in. I brought my family member back with me, and he's actually down in my craft area right now taking care of some stuff. So I might do one in July, or I know I will do an updated floss tube in August, because I'm gonna have my 4-year anniversary doing floss tube. Who would have thought? Who would have thought y'all wanted to watch me for 4 years? But anyway, thanks all for spending time with me today. I hope you all are safe. Hope you all are doing well. And we'll talk to you in August. And thank you also, Povitrulya, for this lovely kit. I'm looking forward to trying this. Bye-bye.